What is happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish. Earlier this week, Pete and I set out for our first Coho trip of the year. Super excited. We got a bunch of rain. We're looking forward to it. Start things off, we got a little game changer that Pete tied. Epic, epic fly. As always, got my classic walk through the water to the river shot and time to get after it. As you can see, we're hooked up. I would say fishing overall was pretty good. These A-run fish can be a little bit finicky at times with the water dropping throughout the week. I'm sure fishing got exponentially harder, but we timed it just right. Found some fish that were willing to play. As you can see, this buck in a deep pool was a willing player. Look at that fish. Absolutely incredible. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Another fish swam by. Thought I could grab it. Almost did it. Nothing but good times on the water. Super, super fun. We were able to land 6 fish. Not all of them we got on camera. Some of them were colored up like this one here. Others were very, very bright. Pete's hooked up to a bright one right now, as you will see here in a second. We were using primarily pink flies. We had a little bit of an orange fly as well, but it didn't really seem to matter. It seemed to be more important to keep it in the zone, keep it in front of the fish, get one to come over and give it a taste. I'd say if you were looking to fish this weekend, it might not be the best opportunity, but if you're watching the forecast, look for the rain. Chrome fish are going to be pouring into the system as soon as we get a little more rain, and fishing's going to be lights out. Nice fish. Adios. But in terms of the overall experience for the first trip of the year, we're super, super excited. This is a little bit of a new format. We hope you guys enjoy it. We'll hopefully go through a little bit more of what we do in some of these videos. We will do a full-fledged coho video at some point. Usually in November is the best time to get those big B-run fish, super aggressive fish to come in and take a taste. So here is another one as we get ready to let it go. See you next time. What a cool fish. Battle scars on it. And just like that, back to the shop, back to work. Quick little grill. And until next time. Hope you guys like this. If you did, hit like, hit subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.